This is G-Max Tidal Energy. Welcome to a new way to generate carbon-free electricity. As the massive linear flow engines connect and take their place into the water and begin cycle 1 to harness the oncoming tidal currents, automated software precisely guides each movement which is connecting into the ocean's immense power. For the next 6 hours, the predicted tide flow starts to increase from 1 mile per hour, then up to 5 to 7 miles per hour, generating carbon-free electricity all the way. When the tide changes direction, so does the G-Max. As tides come in and out twice each day everywhere on Earth, this 3 megawatt unit is equipped with a unique bilateral design that enables predictable electricity output for over 16 hours per day, every day. The linear flow engines will start to reposition toward cycle 2, where software, sensors, locks, hydraulics, and industrial marine-grade steel securely orchestrate this transition 4 times daily, every day, with a dependable carousel design. The engines now reconnect and get ready for the next oncoming tide. When there's no current, this is called a slack tide. As the tidal current starts up again in 55 minutes, so will the G-Max. Once in place, each engine will connect into 2 permanent magnet generators located inside the lower deck. The tidal current turns these generators that create electricity from the substantial torque produced by the linear flow engines. Smart software and onboard sensors decide if G-Max stays in a cycling power mode, or if a storm is approaching, G-Max will switch into a storm mode, which places both engines securely on the top deck and will cease operations until the storm has passed. G-Max has 3 modes: power, storm, and maintenance. These design features lend flexibility for transporting and accessibility to top deck maintenance for a 30-year life cycle, producing carbon-free electricity. Thank you for watching the G-Max Connecting Structure Operations video.